welcome back to another vlog. Hi mom.
Hi fam. Hi.
So
what whole family, Jamaica roads.
So this morning we are going to make just a quick little stop at Pricesmart, but today is very rainy, which is, as you guys can see from right here, so it's really rainy, but it's not that bad that, you know, if you need to do something important you can go there and do it and whatever. So we're going to make a quick stop at Pricesmart. I'm going to show you guys the road and how the rain is and how inside there is, because yesterday was the
basically we are go after the
we're
storm.
Going after everything.
After the
quote unquote storm. We're going after
storm.
Yeah, we are going after everything, because I'm guessing everybody buy out everything from yesterday and the day before, and plus it's month end. So we're gonna show you guys how in there looks after. Okay guys, so this is the road. Pricesmart is just right there around the corner, but this is the road so far. Not a lot of people out today as expected, because they are open. They're always open. They're always open.
Over there. Sometimes I wonder if that's the workers. They might watch something over.
No.
Yeah.
Well, some people work as
some people
managers and stuff.
Maybe just pass it by. So this is Pricemart's
people who are actually coming to do
parking lot. Show them the parking lot.
People who are actually coming to do their regular shopping probably come today instead of.
Normally today, if you will see them only patrolling.
Yeah, so nobody's probably not really in there
right now. Quite a few people are here because the parking lot has in quite a few vehicles, but the trolleys, it's a long line of trolley. So they're saying that Pricesmart is similar to what they have there. Costco.
There's a parking place right there, but you couldn't go through it. So.
Okay, so this is what I like. I like to come shopping when the place looks so yeah. Me not like
you forgot to take something there from outside.
What's that mean? No.
These are Christmas blankets.
So guys, these are Christmas throws. See them not Miss Home throw. 60 inches by it's a reasonable size.
Yeah.
60 inches by 70, and it's 2,800 and for the price with the tax. Yeah.
These will make nice little gifts. Yeah, oh, and see pillows here. And then see pillows here.
What here?
No, you get two in a one instead.
So this is the pillow, I see him brand a pillow for 4,800 and something. So this is it. I don't think this worth 5,000. Material is
nice though, yeah. It's
really
the same material as the blankets.
Yeah. This is a closet complete fabric hamper. This look good.
These are just your hampers regular.
What's only count horse?
Oh, they're more baby hampers. See them here? Baby hampers.
Okay. This I have color. So this is what? Over the optical station?
Yeah.
Oh, so then since the one over Okay. Now what them everything at Christmas now?
No, chocolates.
So not Christmas here?
Give you them.
But then they must say I give them to them here. And then them I give you one like me the cup your love.
The chocolates them and them something them putting out cookies. These are the cookies.
But this one is saying Kirkland, European cookies. When you see them in
Christmas, yeah, Christmas time.
So, fam, it's Christmas, don't you see?
Oh, this is bread. This is bread.
Look, and these are. They can tell you. This one is big, though.
This is cookies as well.
Yeah, and this is 2,471. I think this is reasonable.
Yeah.
Like for people who have a big family, this is nice.
Let us buy them because the pan look nice.
Yeah, and they can be a cake in it. But the pan they look.
I'm kind of flimsy. Yeah, denty.
But I think this price is reasonable.
Oh, mommy, in here is actually really empty.
I'm sure that in here is so
in here is actually really empty.
Wow.
For once. For once.
This is the line to the cashier. Put in the line to the cashier. It's like literally, we don't see this at Pricesmart.
No, it's TV them there. No, it's not this one. It's not. See there, this one.
LG. And it's an LG graphic brand. And this is for 173. So then say, but me now put LG over Samsung. Comment family, LG over Samsung. Tell me that in the comment section. Samsung over LG for me. Pretty TVs for pretty money. Smart.
And then this is the 85.
Yeah. Very nice. 85.
How long you not going to?
Look at this. But this is not the highest, not the newest Samsung. It is an 85 4K LED. But it is not the, the money, even though it's 85. And this are the final 373. This is not bad enough for 85. Yeah, but it's not the latest model there, so to speak. Some of them know the quality.
This doesn't. I don't want to say that this is new, but there's no price on it.
Yeah, but then just put it up and get the price.
There's no price on it.
One or two. After that stop, eh?
Yeah, same thing, but there's no price on them. This is not the keyboard for it. This is not it.
No. That's what Apple keyboard do. Yeah, I'm gonna ask them to give me one of this in my birthday. Because like you know, they will give me. You know that. Yeah. But I mean Pricesmart people are... Anytime I get a drive, hold on. So I honestly, this is a I don't want to know them Samsung fridge. Although this is way past better, more upgrade than the one I Is it them fridge with them visa on my bottom? Yeah, my man, this cute though.
Yeah.
Never know so them have them on there. More LG have these. This not bad. Yeah, and this are how much?
See there.
Yeah, just a little bit over $500,000, you see? Not a lot. Oh, yeah.
27.8 cubic.
Eh?
27.8 cubic.
28. What does it look like? 28. This is deep.
It has the depth though.
Yeah, it has the depth. These are. Oh, I must say, read up on the eye something there. When you feel so awkward with it. So when
you take it off of this high thing,
when I want to ask my problem. This, when you put it, you can't put over something. Once you put over something, it stops. It sticks and stuff. But this is not looking bad at all. This one
stop
looking
wrong.
really good. Yeah, I don't like. But you think LG, you see a carry them. You want to never put something like that. I can't take with them nowadays, isn't it? LG, top and bottom. This one is bad. You see the price? And this is a... But also wobbly, 24 cubic.
It's not on proper stand.
64.
It's not on proper stand.
The up here on a solid man. Up here is a solid, you know?
Something's underneath there, I'm guessing.
This is
it's coming
to
down.
purchase this item, full ticket and take to cashier.
Yeah.
One day they will give you one. This is just a display.
It's coming down, you know, you can hear it. See there?
264.
It's coming down, you can hear it. Look at it.
Look at this. You see, look like Pricesmart have a leak from. So when we see me a face with a bucket in the middle of my house, I have no problem. Yeah, Pricesmart have leak.
Cut.
Some arms though. Aluminum, I see big aluminum put on it, you know, it's not mixed. No, it's not good, it's not good. Everybody around from aluminum straight. It's strong, but so cool, we will share them there.
Which chairs? No, not right here, so not right here, so. It's not right here, so them did there is another section. Dishwasher rack? There's actually no price on it.
No man, them price must be there.
No. Nothing there. Might have to carry it up and go cash it and make them check how much it is.
Look some here on it now. This is a portable AC and look at the price. And you can get this is like almost like the price for your 18 cubic or something like that. And it's a portable. Why it's so expensive? Yeah, me not buy. Watch it. Alright. See one, this one 9. Windy. Well, AC.
They're all windy.
Yeah, no, see a 12 BTU here for 77. This is a 12, but why would I leave this and go buy 18 BTU? Why would I buy that? This over the 12 BTU. Why would I buy that portable for this money? That don't make no sense. But why? No. This is the bigger one. This is wow. This is a whole house of money.
Yes, remember I showed you them already.
No, but this is really good.
This is really big.
Yeah, but it can hold a lot of stuff.
The only problem that I don't like about it is the under here, so it has too much space. Right there, right here. So you'd have to put something over it. You'd have to put something over it.
The shelf liners.
Yeah.
You have to buy them.
So with them display for put on it here, and big container there.
With big container.
That's what they display to put on it.
Because what them want to put on it, put what you want to put on it. That's what they display. You do what you want to do with your thing. You see, this is broad and it is taller. So what them are to one they have.
Yeah, one more leaf back.
Yeah. This is like a door. Would you say?
Not really.
No, it's not. And it is like half the price.
This one is not bad.
This is not
but
bad.
you just need more than one of it.
And the finish? The finish? Look peely. It's nice.
Yeah.
This is good.
It's soft.
But I work with this. But I'm sure it's not the black.
Well, they only have it in black. You'd have to spray paint it yourself.
And you don't have to buy no liner.
And this is the one that we have.
This is the one that we have. Is this? No.
Yeah. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think so.
It's the one that we have. Just look high up. Just same one. Yeah.
Okay. It's not bad though.
That one's okay.
And this is more.
The only thing with that one, it doesn't have any wheels to move. This one is nice because it has the wheels, so you can move it around whenever you feel to.
We took off our wheels.
You took off your wheels?
Yes, we have them. But you can put them on back.
Oh.
Yeah. We have. I don't mind this. But when I put it, which part I want to put it.
Oh, you don't need to move it again.
I'm going to put it up the front now. This is not bad. Really, I think about this. Hold on. Is this a fan top? Look
Let me.
Like you know them something like chest punches sitting like a one on top of one. Look at it.
No, it's not. It's just where them seal it off.
That no looks so.
No, it's where them seal it off, man. See there? It's where they seal it off.
So why it have to seal? But no man.
Hold on. See there, assemble easily.
Huh?
Assemble easily.
I'm sorry, your daddy never there. It's like a pan top of chest punches or something like that.
Oh, see here, them say you can turn it over. You can flip over the other side.
But I'm telling you, it's top on top if you put it on top. But you don't have to get like the
follow
welder now and join.
Yeah, and join. Just make him use the something and join it.
Straight Christmas family. This is nice.
This is so cute. Yeah, this is really nice.
So nice. This is really
for a person
nice.
that really likes Christmas, you can get them as like a nice present or something like that. That's really nice.
Me, you know, me love Christmas, but it's not with them something there, just for the weather and.
Oh, it's LED, so it lights up. It lights up.
Yeah. Maybe like
sell it by pack. You have to go around a car section. See it around this one. Just pass it. Yeah.
Your first section.
What is this? This is pretty.
Your first one.
I don't know what your first one. You have to go check around again.
Back around, around where you get. Somewhere right up there, so you know. This is nice. What is this? Organization bin. Me can't organize. I'm not a good organizer, so what do I do with this for? What would you do with this?
Honestly, I don't know until I buy it and so I'm going to do with it.
Remember selection, top grain, leather bar, stool, where are they?
That's over there.
This is a piece
sit
of
here.
This is a piece of top here? Oh, sit here. Oh, that's nice. I've got 25,000 going to put it. Oh, Jesus. wasn't added. So we find
Oh, so the regular price here for the 4-pack now.
it's 2.
But it's not much of a big difference. But yeah.
So
Because this was the regular price, yes.
So why them have this one still? Like, anybody don't want them fragrance here?
No, just how the man said. This is the Christmas edition, you know.
Christmas edition of Fred.
Yeah, and this is the regular.
But you know, see this clear. Me don't want this. All them the things them man. So
Yeah, wait till it is well. So
are there something there?
the juice?
No, which juice? Me I drink juice in here. The stuff. Sanitizer.
Oh, the sanitizer.
So may I show the people them say family Pricesmart did ready for Jamaica people yesterday. Why? See all the good stuff in there. So we call them something here, the cooler them.
That's
so
still
two-sided.
no, we can't nobody now really because only for
Stuff still in
sausage
here.
and probably like milk finish and them type of something there.
You know, so there are water around it.
And what? Yeah, a few cases.
I guess we never buy no oil for freezer or something still.
Yeah.
So, and then no light were gone.
You know,
So-
ice cream, friend? Thank you.
No, I don't want ice cream. Can't afford ice cream.
Your sinus is on you.
Eh?
Your sinus is on you.
Eh? No, my sinus is good in a
Oh.
herbal. No. Oh, I put the pan body in.
Oh, eggs.
No, not
Okay.
no.
No, I'm just looking
The
at
freezer them. Oh.
The freezers are still stocked though.
Oh, the bread part. But look at bread and cake, did they?
Yeah.
Yeah, bread and cake is there. Still look
So
at
wait,
stuff.
I will buy cake in a store, mommy.
We're gonna catch him here. So guys, we are on our way home and it seems as if the weather has gotten a little more intense. I guess these are like the outer bands of the storm because it passed already, don't it? Yeah man. It passed Jamaica somewhat already. So these are, you know, sometimes the outer bands can be a little intense. So you're seeing a little, not much rain coming down now. As the day progresses, the showers are coming down harder and harder. So but what is happening? They pour down and then they ease up. So that is what is happening. But I would say it's pretty good at this point still on the roads. And you notice that the road are really full of traffic. The people go out, one of them only for shopping and something today. Anybody who sleep on the road don't time it, then time it. So you know? So like you know where people are about hustle and bustle, that time it, then time it. Because not they pay out that hustle and bustle about. So basically this is it and we're taking our time going back home. And yes, we can tell on Pricesmart prepared for Jamaica people yesterday because they still have a lot of goods. So we hope that it doesn't get more intense. I doubt it, but still at the end of it, we are still maybe later on into tomorrow the weather might get more intense. But this is what it looks like on the road. And so a coconut tree that are some higher palm tree are blow. But the wind is not really strong where we are at the road now. The weather is still nice, I would say it's cool. And this is my type of weather. And so basically this is it. So I want to thank you for going out with us on the road. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments below. We showed you a few other little items in Pricesmart and you can leave your little feedback what you think about it. We didn't pick up anything to do at all. We just went for a few direct items that we really needed. Nothing like in food kind, just like the household thing and stuff. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you again with another video or on another live. Remember to check out my herbal teas. Tell me which one is your favorite and if you have tried any of them. And until next time, it's gonna be ciao.